seashell lang.
Yeah, wait.
Picture
The-
shell lang. Exactly
Yes,
shell.
yes, yes, I know. I've been already 17 years here in Morocco.
So
everything
seashell lang.
everything I know that.
Okay.
I have already video that one. I uploaded to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, we're traveling going to Medina Ujaya just to go around. It's okay. Hi Mizu. Huh? Yes. You see? Yes. You see the tower? Yes. Actually, I have already a video on this one, but I will just do it for a long video. Andu toi? Very good.
Good job.
واحد اثنين أربعة خمسة.
It's okay.
Wow, you see.
This is your Nani's hand. Yes, you got it. Nani's hand. Yes, you got it. And Guru said this is very good. It's up. Yeah. But if you sit properly, you don't need the seat. That I mean. कल देखिए उधर पेट भर गया आइसक्रीम भी खाया कितना हम बोल रहे हैं
Stop the light.